Good morning, students. So last class we saw the slicing. Now today we will going to learn a new concept in the Python. So right now, do you remember, guys? If you have the word file, the word, then what happened, in that you can able to do your uppercase, lowercase, right? So we can able to do over here also. Like if you have a something string is there, or you have the something letters are there, that letter you can able to convert into the uppercase and lowercase. Okay, let's see that how we can able to do these things. Right now we will going to let me write in the comment what we are learning right now. We are learning the uppercase, isn't it? Now in that uppercase, suppose I have the letter is there, like a is a variable, and I have the one letter, or we can say one string we have. Okay, so this string is saying, suppose my name, like a Professor Rohit Kadam. Okay, so what happened, I will be write over here pre. Okay, then again R. Okay, you can see F. You right now you can see it is some letters are in the capital, some letters are in the small. So what happened, many times when the users are there, users are going to feed the wrong information. There are students will be going to write a capital, b capital, small whenever they are writing, or maybe by mistakenly their caps lock is on. That's why the reason their name is capital or the small. Okay, so what is exactly you need to do, like whenever you want to be take information from user, you want to be store that data in your format. Like if you want to be a capital, then capital; if you want to be a small, then small only. So it's possible using by uppercase and lowercase as a keyword. We can add that keyword. Let me write over here, Professor. Again R is small, O is big, then I is again small, then again I, another I is another, like what I want to mean. Like you can understand, like there we have to the my spelling, Professor Rohit. So what happened, this you can see right now the spellings are some letters are in the capital letters, some letters are small letters, so this is not look good. So what happened, what we can do, we can use over here uppercase, like right over here printing statement, print, then after bracket open, bracket close, we can write the variable, which variable we store our previous string. You can see this is my previous string, which one I gave, that store inside of the a, and I can write over here I want to be a apply, or I want to be a print my a, and I want to apply this a variable purpose uppercase. Okay, what I want to be a pass over here uppercase. Now check it right now, whatever I store, this is some letters are capital, some letters are in the small. So what happened right now, when I will be run this code, everything my letter will be in the capital. Okay, you can see capital means in the big letter, you can see Professor Rohit, isn't it? So what happened over here, we use a one uppercase, we apply it to the uppercase, isn't it? Like simple are there. We are modify our string. Previously, my string says like this, and after later we modify our string, isn't it? Same like that you can do as a lowercase also. So let me write over here. I want to be apply the lowercase, isn't it? So exclamation mark lowercase I want to apply. Again, I do not need to create another variable because of the reason you can see I have right now variable is available. So I will be directly going to write a printing statement. I want to be apply the variable a dot, I want to apply the right now lowercase, isn't it? Let's go to the apply lowercase. Now let's go. It will be taking lowercase, save button, you can save that, and you can see over here right now this is the previous one uppercase, and right now the over here is a lowercase we have. Okay, now after this one, we will going to try to the remove white space. I think so. People don't know what is the remove white space. Let me go over here. I want to be add this another concept that is called removed white space. Right now, what is the meaning of removed white space? Okay, so white space is a space before and your after. Like what happen are there, what happen are there, one second, for what this purpose I will be going to take another extra string, like a b string, b variable. I will be going to put over here my name, like that my name is Professor Rohit Kadam, right? So Rohit Kadam I will be going to write. Now what happened, so this text I have, what I will be going to do, I will be add the extra space before the r, and I will be going to add the extra space after the my m. So what happened, I gave the extra space as a starting point, and I gave to the extra space after my name. So what happened, I want to remove this x extra space, not in the middle space, only the starting phase and only the after you are finishing your name. Okay, so what happened, you need to remove the before R space and you need to remove the after M space. So how we can remove that? It's possible. We can use over here, I want to print my string. Okay, brackets open, brackets close, bracket close, a variable is b, and then dot, I want to apply over here strip. Okay, you can see what you need to write, strip. Strip meaning is what, if you have the any extra space before your string or after your string, it will be going to remove, but it is not going to remove the middle space. Okay, middle space will be not going to remove. Let's check that. So I apply, click on the run button, and let's check. You can see right now there will be a no any space before my Rohit and after my Rohit. So that is exactly the magic of your strip. Okay, after this one, let's try to replace the string. Okay, let's try to the replace string. You know that replace means what, if suppose you did any mistake, that mistake if I want to improve, I will be going to use over the replace string concept. Okay, what is the concept name? Concept name is a replace string. Okay, right now I will be going to write one string, like let's see the variable as a C, and what this variable I will be going to store, let me say like a hello world. Okay, hello, hello, comma, world, isn't it? So I will be going to write these things. Right now what happened, I want to replace anything like right now suppose I want to replace this world and I want to write hello Rohit. So what we will think are there, what we can able to do? Simple, I want to go to, I want to be a print over here first my sentence. Okay, now sentence are stored inside of the C, then again dot, then I want to be right over here, I want to replace my text. You can see I want to replace my text, and then inside of the bracket you can write over here first, in your first quotes you can write what is exactly the word, means what you want to be a change. Like I have over here word as one text. Okay, so that I want to be changed with another word, that is called Rohit. Okay, so what happened, when you will be going to print this text, what happened, you can see over there hello Rohit, not the hello world. Okay, again see over here, we are going to replace our string. You can replace your letters or the whatever the you have to the letters are there, you can able to change that using by the replace string. Okay, so over here we are using c, whatever the letter, whatever we have over here text, this text we are storing in the c variable. We are right now printing your c variable, but we say also over here keyword that is called replace. Okay, we are replacing to the string. Your first quotation we are writing what is existing string, and we are writing over here what we need to be a replace. Okay, this is your replace string, and what is your new string that you will be going to write over here. End of the day, what is your answer? Your answer will be hello Rohit. Okay, let me run your code. You can see over here saved. You can see what is your output, hello Rohit, not a hello world. So that thing are there, we'll just learn right now replace a string. Right now I want to be do another one also. This is the extra I want to teach. We have the split concept also in our Python. Okay, let me go again back to over here. One concept I want to discuss over here, that is called split string. Right now you can see guys over here we have the row, over here we have the row hello world, isn't it? And you can see this hello world is a combined string. Let me show you also. Let me print C. I want to print only the C. You can check over here. It is the combined string. Do you see that hello world? It's a combined string, isn't it? Right now, what happened? I want to be a separate hello and I want to separate world. So it's possible using by a split string. Okay. So what I want to do over here, I want to say that I want to use a C variable. Then again, I can say over here, what I want to do, I want to split the thing. Okay. Split, and inside of the bracket you will be going to write I want to be a, I want to be just separate that. So when I say the comma, based on the comma, based on the comma I want to separate. So if you click on the run button, you can see over here you can see it's an array is created, or we can say it's a list created, isn't it? In Python we can say as a list, and in the other programming language we call as a array. Okay, so you can see the hello is another word, and hello is another word, and word is another word, isn't it? So like, okay, so simple thing are there, it's that much of easy. Right now only one thing we need to be a learn over here, that is nothing but your concatenation. Okay, so concatenation means string concatenation, how you can able to combine 2 3 4 string together. Okay, let's learn to the concatenation. I will be going to use over here concatenation concept. Let me put it into the comment so it will be not going to execute. Now after this one, let's suppose you need to take a first name, last name, like that. Okay, first underscore name, I want to take from user first. Okay, then equal to, suppose the first name he gave Rohit. Okay, then again maybe he gave to the second name. Okay, second underscore name. Okay, equal to, he maybe gave to the name Kadam. Okay, let me put it into the Kadam. Okay. Right now what happened for Rohit, I will be going to save in the first name. Kadam, I will be going to save into the second name. Okay. Now what happened? I want to be a print that. If I will be going to print these things, what happened? It will be coming to the next line, isn't it? If I will be going to print this name, then what happened? It will be coming to the next line, isn't it? Copy. Again, I will be going to take a second name, control s saved. If you will be going to run, you can see the Rohit in another word and Kadam is in another line, isn't it? So that I want to mean. So what I can do over here, rather than using writing this way, let's me use to the concatenation is possible using by just plus sign. Plus sign meaning is you want to be a combined two string together. It's not the addition, it is the combination of two strings. Let's see that how, which kind of output will be going to come. Okay, you can see Rohit Kadam, but there will be a no any space because of the reason we need to be use we need to use over here your one plus sign, and let's create one gap. Obviously you can create string and one gap is there, so right now finished, not apart from any rocket science. Okay, let me click to the F. You can see, right, Rohit and Kadam. So it's very easy, guys, it's not that much of tough things. Okay, you can able to do that. Okay, what we done today's, understand, we done the uppercase, lowercase, remove white space means what, you can able to remove extra space from beginning and the ending point, isn't it? Then again we learn to the replace. You can change any word which one you want to be a replace with your previous string, you can replace that. Then again we saw to the split means what, right now if you have a something one string, if you want to be splitted, like if you want to divide, like a hello is different and the word is different, you can able to split that. Okay, and it will be coming with a it is coming with your list concept, right? You can see there is a hello is different and world is different. Now after later we learn to the concatenation means what, like you can store a string in different variable and then after you can combine together. Okay, that is we call as a concatenation. Let's stop today's over here video and we can see the next concept in the next class.